Alright, so I've had about 3 or 4 days to give the Leap my exclusive attention for EDC, and I've been using it quite a bit. I'm surprised just how much. Some of the things I said in the last video, I'm gonna say it probably was wrong, and then it's sort of a reversal. The pliers turned out to be a lot better than I expected, and the scissors, unfortunately, have turned out to be a lot worse. So let me just say a couple things I've discovered. I was playing with the pivots and taking it apart a little bit to kind of see what's going on, and I found out that the pivot size of the, let's see, I'm gonna go back here, of the blade, it at this end is thicker, just like the larger tools, the charge, and so on. But the pivot, as it comes through, actually thins out to be the smaller diameter size, just like the internal tools found in the charge, the wave, etc. So it has the same diameter as all of those internal components, which may or may not matter for those who are interested in modding the tool. But I would say for sure the pliers has been amazing. I've been using it, and the fact that they're thicker, I gotta say, not bending at all, just really being a solid pair of pliers. I don't know. Maybe I have to rethink the spirit as well. But one thing I will say I was incredibly disappointed in was the scissors. They really are pretty terrible, like a lot of the other Leatherman scissors. Yeah, of course, they'll cut paper, they'll cut cardboard. But for me, the biggest tests are fibrous nature. Like, I need to be able to cut thread. I need to be able to cut fabric. That's where scissors are important, and where you can't really cut those effectively with a knife. I mean, you can, but you're going to cause damage to the fiber. You really need something like a scissor. It's where it's very important, and I do that more often than I realized. And these tools, this just doesn't cut it. I mean, compared to, pull it out. Compared to the scissors on the Victorinox Manager, it's not even close. I mean, this thing's incredible. No bends, nothing gets between the blades. It's just a dream to use. I mean, it slides off because I'm not holding both sides, but it's gonna have no trouble cutting anything I throw at it. And I think that's what I like about the Victorinox. It just does it. Oh, of course, I'm looking through the viewfinder, so I'm having trouble. There we go. It's gonna cut. So what I'll probably have to do is I'll probably have to replace these scissors. I'm thinking, actually, of taking scissors off a PST2 and slotting them in. It's the same scissors that are in the Wave. I'm hoping they'll go right in, exactly as is. Now, I doubt they'll lock, but they should still work just fine. So we'll give them a shot, and hopefully that should solve my problem. The blade has been amazing. The fact that I can take it out, and when I get out of work, I can slot it in right away. And then the last thing I've done is add a pocket clip. Yes, this is actually a pocket clip. It's not actually a fob. It's very rigid. What I did is I took the design that I didn't create for a paracord pocket clip, and what I did is I took a old barbecue skewer, a flat one like this, which is relatively thick, and I formed the threading around a flat piece, and then once I bent the end and refolded it, I was able to have a very rigid, very solid pocket clip. I even attached this so that when it's sitting outside my pocket, I can pull kind of like a ripcord, if you will, and so I don't accidentally drop the tool. I have it around my fingers, and that's been pretty nice. It's kind of a neat little approach, and it's 4 feet. 4 feet of, this is power cord, so it has like 3 extra strands in it. But anyway, it's not so much for the paracord, it just kind of looks cool. It works with the color scheme I like the red and the black. And yeah, it kind of, the whole aesthetic of it kind of works. I'm really kind of happy with it. Anyway, that's my update for now. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some more of these mods done. The next thing's going to be cutting the slot for the knife so that I can one-hand it. I'm hoping that I can do that today, and we'll have a video of that. Alright, thanks, bye.